Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 2. This is Section 2.10, Problem 2. It says use the symbols less than or greater than to indicate which fraction is larger and which fraction is smaller. And we have 7/50ths and 4/25ths. Which one is larger, which one is smaller? And again, if you don't reason it out, you might be tempted to say the 7/50 is larger because it has larger numbers in it. But it's actually not the case. And here's why. So to really determine which one is larger, you need to have the denominators be the same. So 50 and 25, you need a common denominator. 50 works well. Both numbers divide into 50 evenly. So I'll make both denominators 50. And for the first fraction, 7/50, if I kept the bottom at 50, the numerator can also stay the same at 7. But for the 4/25ths, what I did to the denominator is I multiplied it times 2. 25 times 2 created the 50, so the numerator must also be multiplied times 2. 4 times 2 would be 8. And now you're asking which fraction is bigger, 7/50 or 8/50? Well, the 8/50 is bigger, and that came from the 4/25ths. So the inequality symbol goes with the open end towards the 4/25.